Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hemali here, and thank you so much for joining me today. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set a TIKKA in your hair. I've been a makeup artist for 6 years now, and I have seen people struggle time and time again to place a TIKKA in their hair properly without it falling out or moving around. And I used to be one of those people too. And once I learned these tips and tricks, I was like, wow, this is actually the easiest thing in the world. So I'm here today to share my knowledge with you and make your life easier as well. Now, before I begin, I just want to give a huge shout out to Banglez Jewelry for this absolutely stunning set. I get most of my Indian jewelry from Banglez for many reasons. Their customer service is amazing. The quality is so good, and it's customizable too. You can always change around the colors of things. Like you can change these into white pearls or into like blue stones if you want. So yeah, huge shout out to them, and I will stop rambling now and show you guys how to set a TIKKA in your hair. The first step is to part your hair in the middle. I like to use the tail comb to do this because it makes it so much easier. To make sure it's perfectly centered, line up the tail of your comb to the middle of your nose and use that as a guide to place your part. If your hair is stubborn like mine and it keeps moving around, use a clip to hold it back. Measure out where you want the TIKKA to sit on your forehead. I have a really tiny forehead, so I have to place the TIKKA much further back. Take note of where you would need to secure the TIKKA in order for it to fall in place on the desired spot. Section off a layer of hair around where you need to secure the TIKKA. You want to create this section just slightly in front of the area you will be securing your TIKKA into to help ensure the TIKKA actually stays in place. Spray a decent amount of hairspray into this section. I'm using the Pantene Never Stray hairspray. The amount of hairspray you need really depends on how well your hair holds. My hair holds pretty well, so I don't need to use a lot. And then I'm just going to back comb my hair. After you're done back combing, smooth out your hair by lightly combing over the top layer of that hair like you normally do. Make sure not to brush too hard, otherwise you'll take out all the back combing you just did. After that, you're going to take a bobby pin and place it through the hook of your TIKKA. And then you're going to fish that bobby pin through the back comb section of your hair. Now this next part is really important. You want to take 2 more bobby pins and cross them over each other on top of the bobby pin that is attached to your TIKKA. This will help really secure the TIKKA in place and prevent it from falling out. Now that you've secured your TIKKA, you want to make sure it doesn't move around on your forehead. Take an eyelash glue. I'm using the Kiss Lash Glue, which is great for those who are allergic to latex because it is latex free. And apply some of that eyelash glue to the back of your TIKKA and then go ahead and stick it on your forehead. This trick only works if the back of the TIKKA is completely flat. In order to hide the hook and bobby pins of the TIKKA, section off a portion of your hair right before the hook. You're going to hairspray and back comb this section, and then slightly comb out the top layer to make it look smooth just like you did before. And there you go, your TIKKA is nice and secure, and the hook and bobby pins are all concealed so it looks nice and neat. This last step is completely optional and mainly if you like to part your hair on the side or if you want to hide the string of your TIKKA. Create a desirable part and section off that hair on the opposite side of where you want your hair to fall. Hairspray and back comb the section on the side you want your hair to fall. Then flip your hair to the side you want it to fall and lightly comb over the top layer so it looks nice and smooth. So guys, there you have it, a super quick and easy way to set a TIKKA in your hair that'll withstand all the running around and dancing you plan on doing. Now, if you do tend to sweat a lot, especially on your forehead, I would recommend taking your eyelash glue with you so you can re-glue it on if it does happen to unstick by any chance. But for the most part, I would say it will last you. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you today. If you did like this tutorial, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if there's any other tutorials you would like to see, leave them in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching and for all the love and support you constantly show me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!